We are a global health website, Infinity Infinite Wellness Center, integrating natural remedies, culinary traditions, and exercises from diverse cultures. We aim to provide a comprehensive online resource with an extensive database, tutorials, recipes, and exercise programs, promoting healthy living worldwide. This might be one of the biggest databases. We tried to capture information from history until now. Looked around the world for cohesive database and thinking healthy all across the board. That song Let's Go Crazy by Prince, we present Let's Get Healthy. This wellness center provides comprehensive solutions for daily life, including natural treatments and a historical archive on medicinal marijuana. Our system prioritizes holistic wellness, including healthy consciousness, meditation, spirituality, and a balanced lifestyle. We are grounded in scientific evidence and eagerly anticipate your participation. You can buy a bundle of recipes right on the website. This is the information highway. Well, for all the well-being of human beings across the globe, to find the best of the best, the smartest of smartest, intellect of intellect, tapped into a worldwide database. This is a global wellness movement built on research to help us grow through a website that will serve generations with constant upgrades on the wellness center's clothing lines, e-commerce, for fitness gear, teaching and delivering real info to inspire a worldwide lifestyle of health, purpose, and peace be amongst us, and wellness too.